Morning, this is Rex. Today we would like to talking about Weihua port cranes. As we know, Weihua Group is the biggest manufacturer for designing and producing overhead cranes and gantry cranes in China. The annual sales about these two kinds of cranes is about $2 billion in last year. Regarding the port crane territory, actually, Weihua is the most growing fast manufacturer in China, especially from 2018 to 2020. They have strong experiences on designing and producing rail-mounted gantry container cranes, rubber-tired gantry container cranes, and portal cranes. From 2018, they start to design and manufacture ship-to-shore STS cranes and straddle carrier. Also successfully put in operation in the same year. So it might be a good choice with Weihua port cranes due to its super high cost performance. Thank you.